In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Airtable. If you spend long hours building bases or managing projects, switching to a darker theme can make your workspace easier on the eyes, improve readability in low light, and even help conserve battery life on some displays. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple flow so you can make the switch in just a few clicks. First, open Airtable and sign into your account. You can do this from the web or the desktop app. Make sure you're fully logged in so your personal settings are available. Once your workspace loads and you can see your bases, you're ready to change how everything looks. Next, head to your account menu. Look to the top right corner of the Airtable window and click your profile icon. This might be your photo, or just your initials inside a small circle. On smaller screens, you may need to open a menu first, but the profile icon is always in the upper right area. From there, open your appearance settings. In most layouts, you'll see an option labeled Appearance. In some versions, it may be called Theme Settings. Both lead to the same place, the page where you control how Airtable looks. If you're in a consolidated settings panel, just find the section that mentions themes or appearance. Now choose the dark mode option. You'll typically see choices like light and dark, and sometimes a system option that follows your device's theme. For a consistent nighttime look, select dark. As soon as you click it, Airtable prepares the new theme. The change applies automatically. There's no need to save or confirm anything. Your interface will switch over right away. If you don't see the update instantly, a quick refresh of the page usually does the trick. This setting is personal to your account, so it won't affect how teammates see Airtable unless they change their own theme. You can now start using Airtable in dark mode. Your workspace, bases, tables, records, and interfaces will all adopt the darker palette, which helps reduce glare and keeps your focus on the content. If you use color-coded fields or labels, take a moment to check their contrast in the new theme to ensure everything remains clear. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to the same appearance or theme settings and choose light, or follow your system theme if you prefer it to change automatically with your device. That's it. Quick, clean, and easy on the eyes. Enjoy building in Airtable with a look that works for you. Thanks for watching.